So today we're conducting some amphibious sustainment operations. It's typically the job of the platoon sergeant to conduct those recovery operations. However, every Marine needs to be able to do it in case something happens and they're the most available person or the circumstance dictates that they're the ones that are going to be required to do that. If we become complacent, we don't maintain that effectiveness, we don't maintain that readiness when situations change. I think the changing situation pulls people out of complacency if they're ever in that state. We had 3 platoons out there. When one platoon is struggling, another platoon picks up the slack, and so I think competition between the platoons helps drive that effectiveness.